Hello everyone, today I'm going to be talking about energy transfers, the law of conservation of energy, and I'm going to use that to explain the difference between tidal energy and hydroelectric energy, which we use to power our homes. The law of conservation of energy states that energy cannot be created or destroyed. All of the energy which exists is already there. It is only going to be transferred from one form to another. And there are many types of energy, such as nuclear energy, chemical energy, kinetic energy, gravitational potential energy. Energy is a hard concept to understand in science because you can't see it. So we talk about energy all the time, but where is energy? I would say the two main types of energies that exist are potential energy and kinetic energy. So kinetic energy is the energy due to the movement of an object, and potential energy is energy that can be used to make something move. So an example of potential energy is chemical energy, which is energy stored in food, for example. And when you eat that apple, which has a chemical energy stored in it, it gives you the potential to move because you use that energy to turn it into kinetic energy, which is the energy of movement. And we usually portray these energy transfers in a Sankey diagram, which is this diagram that you're looking at right now. And this is a simple diagram of an electric apparel which transfers electrical energy into light energy to light up your house. And because that it's its function, we say that the light energy is a useful energy and that the heat energy, which is energy we don't want, it's wasted. So in this case, electrical energy was inputted from a power station, and the input is always 100% and the output is always 100%. However, no device is 100% efficient, so you're going to have a percentage of that energy which is a waste energy and a percentage which is useful energy. The electricity which gets to our homes has a source, and we have many different sources which can generate that electricity for us. And the two power stations which do that job for us that I'm going to talk about now are the tidal power station and the hydroelectric power station. But they both use energy and water, so what is the difference between both? So tidal energy uses the kinetic energy in moving water, which was caused by the effect of the gravitational pull of the moon and the sun and the earth. So the gravitational attraction between these three large masses allows this potential for the water to move because the water is attracted to the moon. So it makes the water move. And we use this kinetic energy of the water to turn the turbines, which generate electricity for us. But the hydroelectric power station uses gravitational potential energy, which we are going to create by having a difference in the high tide and the low tide. So usually we have dams which are very tall, and the taller the dams are, the more energy we're going to have. So once the water falls down, if it falls down from a bigger height, we have more energy, which is transferred into kinetic energy, which also turn turbines and generate electricity for us. So I hope this video was helpful and cleared that doubt for you. If you have any more doubts still, you can make a video request and we will talk about those very shortly. So I'll see you in the next video.